Hey everyone, I got a message from one of our followers. He want me to do an analysis on NAS100. So let me go ahead and break it down with you step by step so you can get it. If you guys want me to make a different video guys on any pair of your choice, please drop the comment below or send me a private telegram. The link is on the description of this video. Okay, so always guys, pay attention to your dashboard. That's very important to know in which direction is we are heading. So the daily time frame is letting us know the market is selling, but the 4 hours and 1 hour is contradicting the daily time frame. So what is the representation of that? So let me go ahead. Like I say, I was gonna break it down slowly. So what we need to be looking for here is for multiple time frame to let us know in which direction is the TWE sniper entry heading to. So in this scenario here is letting us know that we are in a sell position. NAS100 still selling, but what is the representation of 4 hours and 1 hour? Is saying Irving, if the market is selling, why is the market going on the bullish trend? That is the question of the week, right? So what we're seeing here is the multiple time frame is letting us know, hey Irving, we are in a buy position. Currently on Friday, the market left us here as a buy position. So this is what I'm seeing here that is going to happen. Most likely the market is going to come back to your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci level from here, and then market from there will take back to normal view, to normal sell. Look at here, because the sellers are in charge at this present time. So market will come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level, and then it will come back and make a small retracement and so on. So this is what I'm seeing here on the NAS100. Another thing that you guys should pay attention guys, let me delete all this stuff so you will not get confused, because the goal here is to help you out. Look, it's very important to always trade with the trend guys. If you look, NAS100 has been selling for a very long time in here. Look at here, market has been selling since what, November last year. So we've been in a sell trend since November. So what is the representation? All we're doing right now, the market is always doing is doing a pullback. So pullback is over, but the sellers here are in charge. So be careful. If you don't know how to trade reversals, don't do it. Always trade with the trend. That's the best way to trade the market, because otherwise you will be blowing your account. So that's what I'm saying. Once again, market still has potential to go between your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci level, and from here we are going to be looking for a multiple time frame and red arrow, and boom, market will be dropping currently based on what we are seeing. What do you guys think? If this makes sense to you? Perfect. All right guys, so let me know in the comment below guys if you guys want me to make a different video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so you will never ever miss any content from us. So let's trade with Team with Irving. Thank you guys. I will see you back on the next video. Peace out.